Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some cool cash on OKX, a crypto wallet. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. Okay, so this is the app you are going to use. This is the OKX app. If you don't have it, I'll leave the link in my description, so you just go ahead and create an account. Okay, so as you can see, I already have $16 in my account. Yeah, so we are going to trade a random coin. Okay, so as you can see, we have goat here, OK, me, move, major, memfi, morpho, and a whole lot of. Okay, so I prefer XUSDT. Yeah, that's the future perpetual. Okay, so I set the amount to 100. Then through my analysis, I think it's going to rise. Okay, so let me just go in. So as you can see, I'm already earning. Okay, now it's minus 0.23. Okay, so let's check the chart. Okay, so all we need now is for the coin to rise against this green line. Okay, so as you can see, immediately it crosses, this place will change into green. Okay, so let's wait for it to change. The same applies to when it drops. When it drops, this place will tend to red or negative. Okay, but don't worry, it will soon rise, I guess. And you come back to this side, you can see we are having $16, but as it decreases or as it drops, the amount goes down. Right now it has started moving back again. Okay, so our prayer is for it to move and cross the green line. Okay, so it's moving now. Plus 0.8, plus 0.3. Okay, it's still moving. You can just close the trade and earn this amount right here. But my target is $1 and above, so let's see if we can hit the target. Oh, unfortunately it has decreased again. Okay, it's still moving. 0.7. so as you can see over here, 0.9. okay, we've hit the $1, so that's it. This place has increased. Okay, so you can repeat the same process and till you get the amount you want, you can close the trade. So let me go again. Okay, it's minus again. We hope it rises again. I'm losing almost $1. So let's go to the chart and track it down. All we want is the chart. Okay, so it has crossed the line. Let's pray it moves higher. Okay, 0.2. okay, it's moving. It's down again. Don't worry to move. Per my analysis, to still move, so you don't worry. So in less than 1 minute we made $1. So if you make a good analysis, you get a lot of money. Yeah. If you don't understand anything, I'll leave my number in the description. You can just contact me and I'll guide you through. Okay, so it's moving. As you can see, we are having $0.47 over here, 0.5. Okay, $1. Okay, let's close the trade. The trade is closed. As you can see, the amount has increased again. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you see this video helpful, kindly consider subscribing and liking this video. Drop the comments about what you think about this video. See you in my next